In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Bitget. This is an essential process if you're serious about managing your investments seamlessly and effectively. By linking these two platforms, you not only enhance your trading experience, but also benefit from the powerful analytical tools and user-friendly interface that TradingView provides, all while executing trades through Bitget. To get started, let's first navigate to the TradingView website. You can do this by simply entering the URL into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged into your account so that you have full access to all the features available. Next, you'll need to open a chart. TradingView offers a wide range of charting tools, and opening a chart allows you to apply technical analysis and monitor market trends effectively. Whether you want to analyze a specific asset or simply try out some indicators, having the chart open is an essential part of the process. Now, with your chart open, let's move on to the trading panel. This is the place where you will integrate your TradingView account with a broker, in this case Bitget. You can find the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. It's usually represented by a tab or a small icon. Clicking on it will reveal a list of options that allow you to start trading directly from TradingView. In the trading panel, you'll see a selection of various brokers that TradingView supports. It's a great lineup, offering the flexibility and options to choose what works best for you. What you need here is to locate Bitget from this list. Depending on updates and new features, this list can change, but it should be relatively straightforward to find as they are typically listed alphabetically or based on popularity. Once you've found Bitget, the next step is to enter the necessary details. This typically includes your account credentials, which could be your username and password, or an API key, depending on the security measures your broker utilizes. Make sure these details are correct, as any errors could hinder the connection process or cause issues later down the line. It's always good practice to double-check each piece of information before proceeding. After ensuring that all the required fields are filled out correctly, go ahead and click on Connect. This final step links your TradingView account with Bitget, enabling you to start trading on Bitget directly from TradingView. If all goes smoothly, you should receive a notification confirming that the connection has been successfully established. By following these steps, you manage to bring together TradingView's in-depth analytical tools with Bitget's robust trading platform, creating an efficient trading suite that enhances your ability to react swiftly to market movements and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.